Hello dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In today's video we are going to look on how you can be able to update and upgrade Ubuntu server when it is running on your virtual machine. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So for example, for me, I installed my Ubuntu server on my virtual machine, and this is the ones that I have installed. That is Ubuntu server. I have several of them, but we'll be using this one. So if you want to update or upgrade your Ubuntu server, maybe you have not been using it for some time and now you want to use it, and maybe there are some updates that which are missing. So you can be able to update your machine or upgrade it so that you can be able to use it and also be able to run everything perfectly. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So we click start button for us to be able to start and run our Ubuntu server platform or our Ubuntu server. So we click start for it to start running. So it will take some seconds based on how fast your machine is and also how good your operating system is. So just don't worry about this. Click switch. Then after clicking switch, your machine will start. Your virtual machine will start. So this is basically how it will start. This may take several seconds to start based on how fast your machine is. So mine has already started. Mine has already started. So after it has fully started, then you'll be required to enter your login details. You'll be required to enter your login details. So for me, let me close this one first. So I'll close that. Then I enter the password. So this one I'll enter wrong password so that you can be able to see what happens when you enter wrong password. So that what happens. So I'll enter the login details. That is the name of the operating system. That is the Ubuntu server, the name. Then the next thing is that I'll enter the password of the same. Then click enter. So if you enter the password correctly, then it will appear this way. So for us, we want to do the update. So for you to be able to do update, you have to write sudo apt -get update, then click enter. So after you have clicked enter or after you have pressed enter, you need to enter your password again, 12. So that's my password. So after entering your password, it will take several seconds or several minutes, depending on how fast your internet speed is, and also depending on how good or how old your version is. For example, if the latest update that you did is maybe 3 months ago, then it will take much time compared to person who updated just last week. So just let us wait for it to complete, then proceed to the next level. So you can be able to see that it is already done. It has already done with the update. So the next thing that we'll do is the upgrade. So you write the same code, but now with it upgrade. Then you click enter. Then this one will ask you if you are sure you want to do the want to continue. Just type yes, then click enter. This will take also some few seconds for it to be able to complete successfully. So give it some few seconds, and also this one will depend on the last update that you did. For example, if it is 3 months ago, then it will be much bigger compared to the person who updated just the other day. So you realize that my computer has taken a lot of time to update. This is to upgrade. This is because there was so much upgrades that it was supposed to do, and you can see now it is doing the final touches. So that's why I'm saying that if you upgraded maybe a few days ago, it will take much lesser time compared to the person who upgraded several months ago or even a year ago. So for me, I upgraded this computer, I think around 2 months ago, so that way you can see it is taking a lot of time, but basically it should complete within the next few seconds. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. Hello dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming for another video. In today's video, I'll be able to show you how you can be able to shut down your Ubuntu server using the command line. How you can be able to shut your Ubuntu server using command line. Just simply type shut down -h now. So this command, what it will do, it will shut down, sorry, that is that typing error, -h now. So what this command will do, it will shut your down your computer immediately. So let us look at what it will do. So you write sudo shut down now if you are not in admin privileges. Thank you so much.